Uh, Started. Sorry, I forgot to record the lecture. Okay, so where we are. So this is one example that I have shown how the nodes or the stations are connected by using the bus network. Okay, so these nodes are connected like this. So whatever stations are there, so they have given some number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But out of these six stations, station number 4 is not in a logical ring, means it is out of the range of this ring. So obviously station number 4 will not be able to send any frame, because this token is continuously moving within the network, means within this ring only. And if suppose station number 4 want to send a frame, that station must have a token with it. So if station is out of the logical ring, so it means that this station will not be able to send a frame. Okay, so you now you have understood what is mean by the token. Okay, so token is a set of information, or it is as like a coupon which is used for sending the frame. Okay, now when the logical ring is initiated, the highest number station may send the frame first. Okay, so when this ring is formed, within this ring whatever stations are available, out of that station the highest number station can send the frame first. The token and the frames are sent one station to another station one by one. Okay, that we have seen. So from 6 to 5, then 4, 3 to, sorry, 4 is not there. So 6 to 5, then 3, then 2, then 1. The last station in the numerical order passes the token back to the first station. So after 1, again that token will be passed to the this station number 6. Okay. Now, in case of the token bus, no collision will occur. The reason is that only one station passes the token back to the first station. So the reason is what? Unless and until the station is having the token, that station will not send a frame. And at a time, every station will have a token. Sorry, at a time, only one station will have a token with it. राईट. सो जोपर्यंत स्टेशन नंबर 3 नेक्स्ट स्टेशनला टोकन पास करत नाही, तोपर्यंत नेक्स्ट स्टेशन फ्रेम सेंड करायला पॉसिबल नाहीये नेक्स्ट स्टेशनला. सो one by one every station will get a token, and then only it will transmit the frame. So obviously there is no chance of two stations sending the frame simultaneously. That is the reason that it avoids the collision, means there is no collision in case of the token bus. In token ring, the station receives the frame whose address is specified and other station discards it. Okay, a token ring, the station receives the frame, means whenever transmission of the frame is happening from one frame to the another, at that time, sorry, one station to the another station, so receiver will get get a frame from the source for which it has sent. ज्या सोर्स कडून त्याला फ्रेम आलेली आहे त्याच सोर्सचा तो ऍक्सेप्ट करतो. अदरवाईज अदर स्टेशनची फ्रेम तो ऍक्सेप्ट करत नाही. दॅट इज गिवन. Okay, in case of the token ring. Now this is the frame format for this 802.4. Okay, so you can see here these are the fields. First is the preamble, as like 802.3. It is also used for the synchronization purpose. Some fields are same. So as yesterday only I told you that source address and the destination address, these two fields you may find in every frame format. Maybe size difference will be there, but this destination and the source address, these are there. Then next is the start delimiter and end delimiter. These are used for as a start and end of the frame. Then frame control, what is the use? I'll explain in the next slide. Then data field is there, and then the checksum, same as the 802.3. Only 2, 3 fields are different, right? Now, see what is this meaning of all these fields. First one is the preamble. Okay, It is used for the bit synchronization and it is 1 byte field. So as same as the 802.3, alternate 1 zeros are there and it is used for the bit synchronization. Then next is the start delimiter. So this field marks the beginning of the frame and it is a 1 byte field. Start delimiter and end delimiter. So start delimiter, beginning of the frame, end delimiter, end of the frame. Okay. Then next is the frame control. Okay. This field specifies the byte of the frame, sorry, type of the frame, whether it is a data frame or control frame. Okay. Means what is the uh, purpose of that particular frame, whether actual data is being sent or whether it is used for communicating to the other frame, that we have seen in the WDM. I hope you are you are remembering. ठीक आहे, दोन टाईपचे हे असतात, कंट्रोल फील्ड एक असतो आणि डेटा फील्ड एक असतो. इन द 4th chapter we have seen this. Okay, so control field is used for communicating to the other frame, communicating with the other frame. So similarly, this frame control field, it is used to check whether the frame is used or the frame is for data frame or whether it is used for control or it is used as a control frame. Control field in the sense to communicate with the other frame or whether it is actual data. So that is decided by the frame control. ठीक आहे, समजलं what is the purpose of the frame control. हा, फ्रेम कंट्रोल मीन्स व्हॉट, हे काय डिसाइड करतं की फ्रेमचा टाईप कोणता आहे. फ्रेमचा टाईप कोणता असतो, आयदर डेटा फील्ड और कंट्रोल फील्ड, सॉरी कंट्रोल फ्रेम. डेटा फ्रेम म्हणजे काय की ऍक्च्युअल डेटा सेंड होतोय आणि कंट्रोल फ्रेम म्हणजे काय की सपोज दोन नोड्स आहेत ए आणि बी आणि ए ला बी ला नोड फ्रेम सेंड करायचे. ठीक आहे, नोड ए ला नोड बी ला फ्रेम सेंड करायचे. सो फ्रेम सेंड करायच्या अगोदर ए काय करणार, बी सोबत कम्युनिकेशन एस्टॅब्लिश करेल. सो इफ ते कम्युनिकेशन एस्टॅब्लिश करणं म्हणजे काय, तर कंट्रोल फ्रेम सेंड करतोय तो टू नोड बी. Okay, so that is nothing but the frame control to decide whether it is a data frame or whether it is a control frame. समजलं what is mean by the frame control? Yes, any doubt? Any doubt? No. Okay, so this is the frame control. Then destination address, source address. So destination is, it contains the address of the destination where your frame is going. Source address, it contains the source address of the node from which the frame is coming. Both are of 2 to 6 bytes. Then your actual data, if 2 byte addresses are used, then the field may be up to 8182 bytes. So this is the length of the data. Okay, 8182 bytes. Then checksum, it is used for the detect the errors in the transmission of the data, and it is 4 bytes field. And the end delimiter, that is end of the frame. So these are the fields, or this is the frame format for 802.4. Have you understood what is 802.4? Remember 802.4, it is a token bus. Okay, token is passing continuously within network. How the token is passed up? So from one station to another station, key points I'm telling. So from one station to another station to form a continuous network. Then the node which want to send a frame, that must have a token. Then the station which is having the highest number, that station passes the token first and to the next one. Every station should know who is at left and the right to form a ring structure. It forms a ring structure by using the coaxial cable. This is the frame format for the 802.4. Preamble for the synchronization, 7 octet, one alternate 1 zeros, same as the 802.3. Start delimiter, end delimiter, these are for start of the frame and end of the frame. Then frame control, to know the type of the frame, whether it is data frame or whether it is control frame. Data frame means actual data frame, and control frame means that frame is used for communicating with the other node. Okay, then source and the destination addresses, then your actual data, and last one is the checksum to check the errors. ठीक है. Now what as per the examination point of view, okay, what you have to remember, because confusion may occur within these fields. Okay, so what you have to remember is that frame format of every IEEE standard that you have to by heart. 802.3 चा फ्रेम फॉर्मॅट काय आहे, 4 चा काय आहे, 5 चा काय आहे, 6 चा काय आहे. साईज जर व्हॅरी झाली इट इज ओके, that we will not or that will not be that much important. जर साईज व्हॅरी झाली तर चालेल, बट हे फील्ड्स आहेत दॅट इज मस्ट. त्यामुळे प्रत्येक फ्रेम फॉर्मॅट तुम्ही लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे की 802.3 मध्ये कुठले कुठले फील्ड्स आहेत, 802.4 मध्ये कोणते कोणते फील्ड्स आहेत. त्याची साईज थोडी कमी जास्त झाली ठीक आहे, ते काय एवढं इम्पॉर्टंट नसेल, पण याच्यातला प्रत्येक फील्ड व्यवस्थित आला पाहिजे. Only 4 standards are there, so that is not that much difficult to remember. Okay, now next is 802.5. Before that, we will see practical for this 802.3 and the 4. Okay, so as I yesterday told you, we are having experiment for this particular IEEE standard. I'll show you the experiment for a minute. One minute, I'm showing you the experiment. Within 1 minute, I'll show you the experiment that we are going to perform. Yeah, this one. this is one experiment in a manual. So implementation and conversion of the frame formats from one form to IEEE 803, 4, and 5. These 5 frame formats we have to implement.
मॅडम
So,
वाईस येत नाही.
what? Okay. Hello, am I audible? Am I audible? Okay. So the name of the experiment is implementation and conversion of frame formats from one form to another by IEEE 802.3, 4, and the 5. Please go. Okay, so in this experiment what we are going to do is we are going to just represent the frame format. Means these are the fields, for example 802.3 if we consider. So preamble, then start of the frame, source, destination address, length, data, and the checksum. So these are the fields of the 802.3. So what we are going to do, we are just going to take the data from the user and that we are going to display. That is only thing we have to do, and this is the experiment which is definitely implemented at the time of the external. Okay, because here we have to just take the input from the user and we have to just display that input, right? There is no logic to apply and all. फक्त प्रिएम्बलचा काय आहे डेटा तो युजर कडून घ्यायचा, स्टार्ट ऑफ द फ्रेमचा काय आहे तो युजर कडून घ्यायचा. लाईकवाईज प्रत्येक फील्डचा डेटा युजर कडून एंटर करून घ्यायचा आणि डिस्प्ले करायचा. ओनली दिस थिंग वी हॅव टू do. So for this experiment what we have to remember is only the fields of the frame format. Okay, so quickly I'll show you the experiment so that you will implement it whenever time is there. Okay, so I'll start my turbo C. Yeah, whether the turbo C screen is visible? Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
turbo C. Okay, turbo C ची दिसते ना. Okay, we will start. I'll show you the program for this. So as I told you, what we have to do, we have to just take the input from the user and show the output, right? So first, I please pay attention so that you will. Sorry, stdio.h. फक्त त्याचे fields काय आहेत तेवढेच फक्त लक्षात ठेवायचे. So one by one you can tell me because maybe I'll not remember. ठीक आहे. So void main. I'll take some. So first field is the preamble field. So it is A dot date. So 1010 we have to get a result from the user. So for that I'll take integer instead of integer. I'll take long integer preamble. Okay, for the preamble. Then next is our start address, then destination address data. For that I will use a character. So start delimiter, then end delimiter. Sorry, voice is not clear. I don't know what is happening. Again, voice is breaking. Okay, I will try. Uh, Start eliminator, then end eliminator. For that I have taken as a character. Then data field. For example, data field will take it is as a 200. Okay. Then next one is after data field. We are having a length, but that should be in integer. Then we are having the padding bits. So for that, use that bit. Then destination address, suppose it is of 20. Then source, it is suppose 40. Okay, and last one, last field is adding checksum. Okay, so instead of checksum, I'll just take. Okay, then one more is remaining, that is integer length. So we'll require I also, and one more variable I take as a count is equals to 0 to calculate to measure the length of the data. ठीक है, after that I'll make it as a CL or SCR. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll just print the fields of the our frame format. Okay, so first field is preamble, then second field is start delimiter, then destination address, then source address, then length, length. After the length, next is the data field, then add bits, and last one is the checks. Okay, this symbol is I have used as a separator only for every field. Okay, so printf. Now what the task is, we have to just take the input from the user and display it. Okay, so what I will do, printf first field is enter preamble bits. Okay, now in this program what we have to remember is, after every printf statement use flush all statement. Flush What is the use of this function is it is used to clear the memory. Generally what happens, as the data is quite lengthy, also we are using long integer, then lots of memory we are occupying. So if we do not use this flush all, it may possible that some bits are scrambled with each other. So what we have to remember is every after every printf statement use the flush all statement. Okay, so it will flush all the memory which is used by the earlier data. Okay, so after every print use flush all function. Okay, so as for the preamble bit we have used a long integer, so scanf percentage ld for the long integer, then and print. Okay, similarly next field is which one, printf enter start delimiter or SOF, whatever available in the your frame format that you can take. Okay, after that again flash all scanf percentage C comma, because the start eliminator we have used as a character. Okay, percentage C and yes D. Similarly printf enter and delimiter, then again flush all scanf percent C comma and ed end delimiter. Okay, after end delimiter next field is one, after start delimiter end eliminator is not required actually, so you have not taken it, that is also okay. So after start delimiter is the start destination and the source address, right? So again printf first is what, enter destination address. Now for the destination address, so again it will be a long, so for that instead of using percentage C, so what I will use get yes function. Okay, get yes destination. It will get all the whatever address we will type. So that will be so just sorry destination address number flush all function should be there. Flush all. Then get yes destination. Again printf same for the source address. RC. Again flush all function and get yes RC. That address source address we have. After that next step is data field. So, before the data field what I will take, I will take the padding bits from the user. Enter enter at bits हे कशासाठी लागणार आहे, जर का डेटा मिनिमम साईज पेक्षा कमी असेल तर काहीतरी एक्स्ट्रा बिट्स किंवा एक्स्ट्रा फील्ड्स तुम्हाला ऍड करावे लागते. फॉर दॅट आय एम टेकिंग इट फ्रॉम द युजर. ओके, extra fields. Okay, so first we have taken as a character.
Excuse me, ma'am. Your voice is breaking.
काहीच येत नाहीये का आवाज? का ब्रेक होतोय? काय होतंय? आय
खूप
डोंट नो व्हॉट इज
खूप
हॅपनिंग.
जास्त ब्रेक होतो.
खूप ब्रेक होते मॅम.
Okay, I'll try again. Hello, I'm audible now? येतोय आता क्लिअर का नाही येत?
हा मॅम.
हा मॅम येतो क्लिअर.
ओके फाईन. नेटवर्क इश्यू येतोय, आय डोंट नो. ठीक आहे. Okay, I'll first do the program. Again, I'll explain it. Some of the fields. First, I'll clear all the fields. So, printf enter the pad bits. Pad fields. It is taken for the minimum data length. So, as I told you, flush all function मी प्रत्येक ठिकाणी use केलेले. What is the purpose of this? Is to get the memory clear. It is used. Now, source and the destination address la instead of percentage %c, I have used as a get yes function. Okay, to get the address of the source and the destination. Okay, now after that, after this, we have to take a scanf percentage %c, then and that bits. Okay, now after this, we have to take the data from the user, right? So printf enter data. Okay, for that, data, what we have taken for the data, yeah, data in a character we have taken, so we can use again get yes data. Okay, now next is what length field is there. So we have to calculate the length of the data. Length field is there to represent the length, we can use it. Also, we have to use, or we have to check whether the data is of minimum 46 bytes or not, as per the 802.3 frame format. 46 पेक्षा जर कमी असेल तर extra field add कराव्या लागतील, otherwise we can keep it as it is. Okay, so what I'll do, first I will check the length of the data. So I'll take one variable as a length. So yeah, it is get taken over it. Length is equals to strlen, string length of the data. What it will do, it will calculate the length of the data. जो काही डेटा मी एंटर करते त्याची लेंथ कॅल्क्युलेट करून या व्हेरिएबल मध्ये तो स्टोअर करेल. So once I get a length of the data, what I will do, I'll check whether the length is less than 46. Right? If it is less than 46, then what I have to do, I have to add the extra fields, and that extra fields I have taken over here from the user itself. Okay, so if the length is less than 46 bits, then what I will do, for I is equals to 0, I is, sorry, not 0, it should be length, means suppose 4 bits data मी एंटर केला तर फिफ्थ बीट पासून माझे हे एक्स्ट्रा बिट्स ऍड झाले पाहिजेत. ओके, सो आय इज इक्वल्स टू लेंथ अप टू आय इज लेस दॅन 46 आय प्लस प्लस. याच्यासाठी मी काय करेन, डेटा शुड बी 5 bits. Okay, so it will replace, or it will add the extra phase in your original data. I hope it is getting clear. Now कुठेपर्यंत ऍड झाले पाहिजे, अप टू द end of the string. So data of I is equals to end of the string. Okay. Now, okay, this is for the data field. Now, what I will do, only one field is remaining, which is used for the checksum. Okay, so what logic we will apply over here is simple, because it is given that crc is used as a checksum, but again writing the crc code will make your program too lengthy. So instead of crc code, what I will do, I'll just apply small thing which will check something and it will display one message over as a checksum. Error आहे का नाही हे फक्त check करेल. So just see what is there. So I'll just write one for loop for I equals to 0, then data of I uh, equals to end of the string, then I plus plus. Okay. Now what it will check, data of I is equals to a, means any character if it is there, then if, if data of I is equals to a, then count plus plus. Okay, when it is just taken to check the error that I have taken, right? Then next, after count plus plus, to display one message as a checksum, what I'll write, if count or 2 is equals to 0, okay, then check is equals to e, that is error, else check is equals to no error or the n only, I'll display it. Finish and the get ch. ठीक आहे, इथे काय केलं, हे चेकसम साठी काय केलेलं आहे, फक्त ए जो डेटा एंटर करणार आहे, फॉर एक्झाम्पल आय हॅव एंटर्ड एज अ हॅलो, जर त्याच्यामध्ये मी डेटा एंटर केला तर तो डेटा काउंट करत जाईल, आणि जो काय डेटाची लेंथ असेल, मॉड 2 इज इक्वल्स टू 0 असेल तर तो मेसेज देईल एरर, अदरवाइज नो एरर. जस्ट आय हॅव इन गिवन वन कंडिशन जस्ट टू डिस्प्ले समथिंग ॲट द चेकसम. ठीक है, so this is a simple program. So after get ch, what we will do, we'll just display the things whatever we have taken. So first I'll use here as a clr scr. Okay, then we'll just copy this. Okay, and just I'll take one printf statement, printf. Now what we have to do, percentage, first variable is ld. Okay, then percentage, next is the c, instead of this ld, comma, percentage c, comma, percentage yes, comma, percent, okay, the comma is not there. Yes, after yes, percentage c, percentage is again percent yes, then percent d, percentage yes, then percentage d, percentage T, again percent yes, again percentage C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Then LD is for preamble. So pre we have taken, then start delimiter, then destination, then SRC, then length, then data, then check. Okay, and the that's it. Okay, so this is the simple program for the 802.3. आवाज येतो ना सगळ्यांना? My voice is audible clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now listen what we have done in this program. काय करायचं ह्या प्रोग्राम मध्ये फक्त जो फ्रेम फॉर्मॅट आहे त्याचे सगळे फील्ड्स युजर कडून एंटर करून घ्यायचे आणि जस्ट डिस्प्ले करायचे, नथिंग मच. याच्यापेक्षा जास्त काही करायचं नाहीये. ओके, सो व्हॉट आर द फील्ड्स? फर्स्ट वन इज द प्रिएम्बल, देन स्टार्ट डेलिमिनेटर, एंड डेलिमिनेटर, देन सोर्स, डेस्टिनेशन ऍड्रेस, डेटा, चेकसम अँड द पॅड बिट्स. एवढे सगळे फील्ड्स आपण युजर कडून एंटर करून घेणार आहे. Okay, so for the preamble, I have taken as a long integer for alternate 1 and zeros. Then start delimiter, end delimiter. I think end delimiter is not required, so let it be. Then data field, pad field, destination, source address, checksum. Okay. Then length I have taken one variable I and count is equals to 0. Then next हे फक्त display केलेलं आहे. Then printf, enter the preamble bits. So flush all function is used to flush all the memory which is allocated earlier. So what happened whenever I am executing the program, whatever earlier data of earlier program I'm entering, that is getting reflected in this program. So that's why we have used this function, that is flush all. Then scanf preamble, then enter the start delimiter, then st end delimiter, whatever is there. सो जस्ट इथपर्यंत काय केलेले आहेत, सगळे फील्ड्स एंटर करून घेतलेले आहेत. वेनेवर वी एंटर द डेटा, डेटासाठी फक्त काय करायचंय, देर इज वन कंडिशन दॅट मिनिमम लेंथ ऑफ द डेटा शुड बी ऑफ 46 बिट्स. 46 बिटचा डेटा पाहिजे. फॉर दॅट आय हॅव फर्स्ट calculated the length of the data, that is strlen length. Okay, if the length is less than 46, then what should be done? Padding bits, that is extra fields are should be get added to make it as a 46 bit. Okay, so that fields already we have taken over here. So I have done, I have first checked if length of the data is less than 46 bit, then काय करायचंय की त्याच्या पुढं, दॅट इज जो डेटा मी एंटर केलेला आहे त्याच्या पुढचे एक्स्ट्रा बिट्स काय असणार आहेत, माझे पॅडिंग फील्ड्स असणार आहेत. दॅट इज गो गिवन. आणि हे कुठपर्यंत लूप एक्झिक्यूट होईल तुमचा? अप टू द एंड ऑफ द स्ट्रिंग, म्हणजे सगळे स्ट्रिंग तुमची एंटर होईपर्यंत हा लूप एंटर होईल. ओके, now everything is entered, data is entered, padding bits we have checked. Only one thing is remaining, that is nothing but the checksum. So 802.3 uses CRC to check the error. But again, writing the CRC code in this program is not at all feasible. याच्या पुढे सगळा CRC कोड लिहिणं पॉसिबल नाही. So for that, what we have done over here, we have checked just one condition, and depending upon that, if that condition is satisfied, error is there, otherwise no. Okay, so for that what we have done, we have checked the data. If it is the character, then the length of the data means count is incremented, and if that count is mod 2 is equals to 0, then I have displayed one message as a check, otherwise no. That is simple. आणि याच्या खाली फक्त डिस्प्ले केलेले आहेत. Right? So it is very simple program. Similarly, एकच तुम्हाला प्रोग्राम हा करून बघायचा आहे आणि याच्यामध्ये नंतरचे जे पुढचे प्रोग्राम्स आहेत त्यात फक्त आपल्याला फील्ड्स ऍड करत जायचे ऑफ द पर्टिक्युलर फ्रेम फॉर्मॅट. Okay, otherwise it is simple. So I'll just run this program. So what I'll do, I'll run the program what I have done earlier, because maybe possible some same program I have done, but maybe something is missing, then output should be shown. So it is properly arranged program. So we'll see. So I'll compile this. Okay, see here. So preamble, then start delimiter, destination. So this is the frame format that we have to display. So enter the preamble bit. So I'll enter 10101010. Okay. So this is the preamble bit. Then start delimiter. So I'll enter 10101011. No, 1012345671. Okay. So destination address. So I'll start 10101011. Source address, suppose 0111111. This is the address. Now enter the padding bit. So if my data is less than 46 bits, then as a pad bits I'll add D. Okay. Now enter the data. So I'll enter welcome. Okay. So up to this, I have taken the input from the user. Now what we'll do, see here. So first is preamble bit, it is displayed, ST it is displayed, then destination address is displayed, source address is displayed, then it has calculated the length of the welcome, it is 7. So at 7 is less than 46 bit, it is added padding bits over here and checksum. Clear? Simple. There is nothing great to remember about this program. Any doubt? Any doubt in this program? समजलंय सगळ्यांना प्रोग्राम? Yes. काय डाउट आहे? Any doubt? Pick up something. How should I know? Any doubt? Yes. Any doubt? Understood. Remaining Shweta, Swarupa. Okay, so you have understood this program. So what you have to do is I'll post the program in group. Okay, so you all of you just go through it. Only 15 or 20 minutes are required. So it is now 11:15. So at 11:45 again you just join the meeting. By the time you just do the program. If anybody is having any doubt, you can ask me. Right? So परत 11:45 ला परत मीटिंग जॉईन करायची. सगळ्यांनी प्रोग्राम करायचा आहे आणि मला त्यावेळेस आय टेल एनीबडी यू हॅव टू शो इट टू मी. ओके, आय पोस्ट द प्रोग्राम इन ग्रुप. तुम्हाला सॅम्पल प्रोग्राम ग्रुपला पाठवते, तो बघा, करायचं आहे सगळ्यांनी. अँड आफ्टर एक्झॅक्टली half an hour we are meeting again at 11:45 on the same link. Means ही लिंक चालूच आहे, मीटिंग चालूच ठेवते मी. फक्त 11:45 ला सगळेजण पुन्हा लिंकला जॉईन व्हा. ठीक आहे. Yes, Pallavi, am I audible? Am I audible? Okay. Why we use flush all? So as I told you, flush all is a function which clears the memory every time. Now what happens? If we don't use this flush all function, earlierly whatever program we have implemented, that input get reflected. Means this was happening with me whenever I'm implementing the program. So earlier things are getting implemented, getting repeated in my program. So that's why I have used the flush all function, which always clears the memory. ठीक आहे. सो त्यासाठी मी फ्लॅश ऑल फंक्शन यूज केलं होतं. मी आधी जो प्रोग्राम एक्झिक्यूट करत होते त्याचं इनपुट मला इकडे मिळत होतं. किंवा हा जरी प्रोग्राम मी सेकंड टाइम यूज परत एकदा रन करायला लागले तर काय होतं, फर्स्ट जे मी इनपुट दिलं होतं सेम पुन्हा मला तेच इनपुट डिस्प्ले होत होतं. दॅट्स वाय आय हॅव युज्ड द फ्लॅश ऑल फंक्शन which removes that error. Yeah, okay. Yeah. So all of you have done the program? Yes. Any issue? समजला program? Everyone? Everyone tried it? Yes, Amrita?
हॅलो मॅम,
हा.
चालू आहे अजून करून.
अजून नाही झाला?
झालं नाही
का बरं?
झाला, करते अजून.
Okay. Any other? Sakshi? Sakshi, roll number 26.
येस मॅम.
Have you done the program?
मॅम डन केलाय बट एरर दाखवते, सॉल्व होत नाही एरर.
काय error आहे? Can you present your screen?
हा येस मॅम. मॅम दिस एरर.
One second. I'm not getting the screen. It is not visible.
नॉट विजिबल मॅम.
Means it is not clearly. I'm not able to see it clearly.
नाऊ.
No. Can you just send me the screenshot of the error? I'll tell you
ओके
what is
मॅम.
there.
येस
Or
मॅम.
you can send it group or personally you can message.
ओके मॅम.
Okay. Others have you done the program? Yes. Anyone? Yogi Raj Deshpande, roll number 35. Have you done the program?
Up, ma'am.
It is getting implemented. Yeah, Sakshi. Push on.
येस मॅम.
1 second. I'll tell you the error. Yeah, have you included this string.h in your program?
What, ma'am?
String.h.
Uh, 1 minute, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I included.
Okay. So flush all it is getting 8 second. Flush on. Just check whether you have written flush all properly, because exit one written this error ना, जर spelling mistake असेल कुठे mismatch झाला असेल तर येते mostly. So check it whether you have
Oh,
written properly all flush all function.
okay, ma'am.
तरी पण नाही झालं तर सांगा, मी चेक करते, मला प्रोग्राम मेसेज करा, मी बघते.
Okay,
चेक
ma'am.
करा एकदा सगळे.
हा.
अदर अजून कोणी केला? करण काळे, रोल नंबर 46 केला प्रोग्राम?
मॅडम चालू आहे.
चालू आहे. ओके. अजून कोणाला काय एरर आलेले आहे? केला पण या पल्लवी, तुमचं झालंय का? यू वॉन्ट टू प्रेझेंट, यू कॅन प्रेझेंट. पल्लवी जाधव, रोल नंबर 8, यू कॅन प्रेझेंट युअर स्क्रीन. हा. हा. It's now program. Okay. Show me the output. झालं ना, रन होतोय ना? Okay. Enter preamble bits. हा, एंटर करा preamble bits. वन झिरो 8 बीट एंटर करा. What happened, Pallavi?
सेम मैम ना बिट मैम सेम होगा.
आउटपुट झालं का? दिसलं सगळं आउटपुट? हा. ओके. पॅडिंग बिट्स ओनली 1 bit शुड गेट ऍडेड ना. एंटर द पॅड बिट तुम्ही केलं ना, पुन्हा 1010 टाकताय. नो, एकच पॅड बिट कुठलं पण एंटर करायचं आणि ते पॅड बिट तुम्हाला तिथे ऍड होणार एक्स्ट्रा. ठीक आहे.
ओके.
असू दे, पुढे चला. नेक्स्ट. ओके. अगेन यू आर एंट्री. ठीक आहे.
वन ना मॅम.
हा, ओनली 1. एक तुम्ही कुठलेही कॅरेक्टर एंटर करा किंवा नंबर एंटर करा, काही चालतंय. कॅरेक्टर टाका एखादं. काही पण टाका. वेलकम टाका, हॅलो टाका, हॅलो टाका.
असं येते ना.
काय झालं? आलं का? मला ऍक्च्युली क्लिअर दिसत नाहीये. येतोय का सगळं? आलं ना? डेटा आलाय ना? प्रिएम्बल बिट्स आलेले आहेत. डेटा एंटर होतोय का नाही होतंय? मला क्लिअर दिसत नाहीये स्क्रीन तुमची. इज इट विजिबल क्लिअरली? म्हणजे दिसतोय सगळा तुम्हाला आउटपुट? दिसते
Exactly right आहे sir ते.
एक्झॅक्टली येत नाही. येस एक्झॅक्टली नाही ना येत.
हा ma'am.
चेक इट. प्रोग्राम व्यवस्थित करा. ते प्रिंट एफ वगैरे स्टेटमेंट जे आहे ते चेक करा व्यवस्थित डिस्प्ले करताना. ते कुठेतरी मिस झालं असेल तर दिसणार नाही. ठीक आहे. अदर्स बाकीचे पण
Plus all
फ्लश
ma'am,
ऑलला
तिथं म्हणजे प्रिंट केलं तर तिथं एरर दाखवते मॅम, मग डिलीट करावं
काय
लागतं.
एरर दाखवते?
जे दाखवलेलं ते नसेल तर.
काय झालं?
Plus जर मला दाखवते
एरर आहे का? एरर कुठे आहे? दाखवते का एरर? मला तुमचं स्क्रीनच
मी
व्यवस्थित
डिलीट
दिसत
केलं
नाही.
सॉरी.
ओके. एक काम करा, मला मेसेज करा, तुमचा जो प्रोग्राम आहे ना तो टाका, मी बघते. कारण इथं मला स्क्रीन फुल दिसत नाहीये. आय एम नॉट गेटिंग युअर प्रोग्राम. हा ठीक आहे. अजून बाकीच्यांना पण कुणाला काही प्रॉब्लेम असेल यू कॅन मेसेज मी. आय टेल यू और यू कॅन कॉल मी. सो दिस इज द 802.3. Similarly, 802.4 also I am posting in group. Try these two programs. Tomorrow again we are having the lecture. At that time we will see again. Tomorrow 802.3 and 4 दोन्ही करायचे and you have to post the program in group. Okay, everyone has to post the program because I am going to mark the your marks for that particular program. Right? So everyone has to post the program, then only it will be considered. Otherwise, no. प्रत्येकानं प्रोग्राम पोस्ट करायचा आहे कंपल्सरी. टुडे or tomorrow. Tomorrow up to 5 p.m. Both programs should be there. At least up to today up to 5 p.m. you just post one program. ठीक आहे.
मॅम एक्झॅक्टली आउटपुट दाखवता का?
Okay, I'll show you the output. You can implement the program. Wait a minute, I'll show you the output. Is it visible ना? स्क्रीन दिसते माझी टर्बो सी ची?
No, ma'am.
No,
Yes, ma'am.
it is visible. Okay, now okay, so I'll run the program. Enter the preamble bit 10101010, 8 bit. Then next start delimiter. I'll write anything as 1. Destination address 1010101. Not visible. Screen दिसत नाहीये.
दिसते मॅम.
दिसते. Someone is saying not visible. Some is saying visible. Okay, wait a minute. I'll again present. Stop. Present. Now is it visible? Check it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now source address.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Source address. Suppose I'll mark 10101 something. Now padding bits. So as I told you, padding bits means what? Only one bit you can enter anything, any character. फक्त एकच कॅरेक्टर किंवा एक बिट एंटर करायचा. सपोज आय एंटर एच. ठीक आहे. हे एक्स्ट्रा बिट ऍड होणार आहे तुमच्या याच्यात. सपोज डेटा आय एंटर ॲज अ DCOM. ऑब्विसली हे काय करेल डिकॉम 1 2 3 4 कॅरेक्टर्स आहेत ते लेन कॅल्क्युलेट करेल आणि रिमेनिंग सगळे एच ऍड करून त्याला 46 करेल, राईट. सो नाव द डेटा इज गेटिंग एंटर, जस्ट डिस्प्ले करायचं आहे. ओके, सो यू कॅन सी प्रिएम्बल बिट्स st वी हॅव एंटर्ड, डेस्टिनेशन सोर्स ऍड्रेस जो काय एंटर केला होता तो दिला, लेनची डेटा डिकॉम 4 लेंथ आली इथं डेटा, आणि हे सगळे एक्स्ट्रा पॅड बिट्स त्याच्यामध्ये ऍड झाले आणि चेकसम. Got it? Yes? Okay. So, up to today evening, you just do this program and share it on group, everyone. Tomorrow we will see the next program. I'll explain it again and again we will see it. Okay? Okay, we will stop here. I'll take the presenting. Roll number 1, roll 2,
Yes, ma'am.
3,
Yes, ma'am.
roll number 3, 4, 4, 5, 6,
Present, ma'am.
5,
Present,
6,
ma'am.
7, 7, 8. Roll number 7 absent, 8 absent. 8 is present, na? Roll number 9, 9,
Present,
10,
ma'am. Present, ma'am.
10 is present. 11,
Present, ma'am.
12,
Yes, ma'am.
13, 14, 15, 16,
Yes, ma'am.
17,
Yes, ma'am.
18. Roll number 8,
Yes, ma'am.
19,
Present, ma'am.
20,
Present, ma'am.
21,
Present, ma'am.
21, 22, 22, 23, 24, 5, 25, 26,
Present, ma'am.
7, 27,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
28, 29, 29, 30,
Present, ma'am.
31,
Present.
32, 33,
Present, ma'am.
34, 35, 36,
Present, ma'am.
37, 38,
Present,
38,
ma'am.
39, 40,
Present.
41, 42, 43, 44, 5,
Present, ma'am.
46,
Present, ma'am.
47, 48,
Present, ma'am.
49, 50, 51, 2,
Present.
53.
52 present.
Yes, I marked 53, 54,
Present, ma'am.
55, 56, 7, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62,
Yes, ma'am.
3, 4, 5, 6,
Present, ma'am.
7.
66.
Yes, yes, I have marked 67,
Present.
6, 67, 67 I have present, absent, 68, 9, 70, 71,
Present,
72,
ma'am.
3, 74,
Present, ma'am.
75, 6, 7.
Present, ma'am. 77 is present.
Okay. You can left the meeting, post the programming group today up to 5 or 6 p.m.